Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good.
That's good. My name's Meg. What's your name?
My name's Shelby.
Shelby. Oh, I like your name. And you're grade 4, Shelby.
Yes.
So we're going to start with your topic. What are we going to talk about today?
My topic is black holes.
Black holes. Wow. What is a black hole?
A black hole is a region of space where it's so dense that once you pass the border of the black hole, which is called the event horizon, nothing can escape it, not even light, the fastest thing in the universe.
Wow. I didn't know that. And what's the most interesting thing about black holes?
The most interesting thing about black holes is also the hardest thing to solve is that what's inside a black hole. So the most famous hypothesis should be the singularity, which many scientists say that it's a point where it's like the densest part of the black hole, which is basically infinitely dense and infinitely small.
Wow. Are there differences between black holes or are they the same?
The black holes, their concept is the same, but they're different in size. So there are four types of black holes. The miniature black hole is super small, so it has a very low mass. And it's very, very small. So it must have come from the early universe after the Big Bang, where anything a bit denser than other particles could form a black hole.
Which one do you like best?
What I like best is a supermassive black hole, but for now we'll talk about the second smallest black hole, which is the stellar black hole. So, this is the most common type of black hole. So, there are like millions of them in every galaxy, and they're about like 10 to 20 miles across and have like a, f- uh, a mass of a few suns.
Wow.
Awesome.
Is there anything, Shelby, that you dislike about black holes?
It's the same thing as the most interesting about black holes as because see black holes are very interesting but they're also very mysterious and they don't let light escape so you cannot see what's inside of it. That's the problem.
Mm, wow. How often do you read about black holes?
I don't really read about black holes. I mostly just watch it on YouTube. During the
Mm,
COVID-19 pandemic, that's when I started getting interested in it.
What's the difference between reading about them and watching YouTube videos about black holes?
So they're basically the same, but I don't really read about it, so I just watch. So I don't really know how's it like reading about black holes. I just watch like size comparisons of black holes and how black holes formed and the many types of black holes, a lot of stuff.
Mhm. What are scientists going to learn about black holes in the future?
In the future, they can they can invest more money into making better telescopes to see black holes better. But because we don't have many pictures of black holes, the first discovered picture about black holes is Messier 87, but it's very blurry because black holes are mostly very far away. Even the closest one is 1,560 light years away. Light
Wow. Ask me a question, Shelby, about your topic.
So, how do you like black holes? Have you learned anything about it?
Well, today from you, I learned a lot about black holes. Yes, thank you very much for teaching me all those things. You did a presentation a couple of weeks ago.
Yes, I indeed did a presentation a couple of weeks ago. It was because we're actually talking about Earth's atmosphere in the class, but I somehow changed the topic to black holes, and then my friends got
Did your friends like it?
yeah, my friends got very interested, and then teacher asked me to make a presentation about black holes as homework, so I made it, like how black holes are formed.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much. That was really interesting. But we need to move on now to talk about something different.
Okay.
So thank you for talking to me about that. Let's talk about holidays now. Where do you usually go on holiday?
I think the only place I've gone to is China because it's very close. So I've been to
Wow.
Shanghai and Beijing and Guangzhou and Hong Kong. I've been
What
to
did you
all.
do in China?
It's very fun there. So we we did a lot of stuff. Like I ate the Chinese type of food, and then also went to a lot of places. But the best part
Mm.
was when we went to the Great Wall of China and the Forbidden City.
Oh, fantastic. What's the difference between Shanghai and Guangzhou?
Uh, the difference is the culture and a lot of things. Or Shanghai is basically very, very populated and a lot of work going on. So
Which one is better to visit?
they're all very good to visit. So for me,
Mhm.
they're all super fun.
I love China.
Have you been there?
Yes, yes, I went to Beijing 2 months ago.
Oh, that's nice.
Mm. Where are you going to go for your next holiday?
I'm not sure about that yet. Cause like the late March, I went to China like during the late March. So I haven't had any plans yet with my family.
Uh-huh. Maybe somewhere nice.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now, let's talk about food. Do you like cooking?
I don't really cook. Only time I really do it is with my mom when I am bored and just do a bit. So
Oh, what did you make with your mum?
a lot of stuff. Like one time we made a cake, and then normally we make smoothies. Sometimes we'll make
Mm.
dinner.
Oh, lovely. What did you have for dinner yesterday?
Mm, yesterday I ate some Thai food
Ah, I love Thai food. How often do you go to restaurants?
quite often, mostly to the department store near my house.
Oh, what's the difference between eating in a restaurant and eating at home?
Eating at home, you can watch TV and enjoy. Eating at a restaurant, mm, you don't your parents or something don't need to cook, and then we just order, so the atmosphere is kind of different. For me,
That's true. What's your favorite dish?
I like a lot of dishes, some Thai dishes, some Chinese dishes, and sushi and a lot of stuff, and some.
Oh, you're making me hungry. What are you going to have for dinner this evening?
Not sure yet.
Mm. Well, thank you very much, Shelby. It was wonderful to meet you and have a lovely day.
Thank you. You also have a lovely day. It's wonderful
Oh,
to talk to you too.
oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.